One of the most requested videos that I've gotten since I've been doing comparisons between the Mavic Pro and the Autel Evo is a sound test between the Platinum Pro and the Autel Evo. So today we have just that. It just so happens one of the drones Mel has in his massive array of UAVs is a Platinum Pro. So we're gonna do a sound test to see once and for all who is the king of quiet between the Evo, Platinum Pro. It's gonna happen right now.
And then I do it like this. And these readings are level with the propellers at about a foot away from the props. I'm back about 10 feet. And I'll just angle them like this, see if there's any difference in the sound.
All right, so we have the Evos up in the air now.
I'm gonna go about a foot. We're going to back away about 10 feet. We're going to stand them back up. I think the Evo's quieter standing here.
You think that?
What's the meter say?
I don't know, that's a guy holding the thumb down right there.
A little bit of temperature testing. About 80 degrees average. A little hotter, we're showing about 90, 95 or so on the belly.
Alrighty guys, so that concludes like all of my sound comparisons of the Autel Evo. I hope you enjoyed all the series from the Air to the Pro to the Mavic Pro Platinum. So we got to have a winner in this, and honestly, I think it was a draw. You know, it's going to be really all what your ears prefer. But hey Mel, who do you think won? Platinum Pro or the Evo?
Well, the Platinum Pro's mine, so yeah, it's the winner.
There you go. It's all it's all preference. So
that's biased.
So, but honestly, if you're looking for a quiet drone, either the Evo or the Platinum Pro is going to be your top picks if you want a portable drone that is quiet, like Sans, you know, Phantom 2.0, which is still going to be much louder than both of these. But this is great for not even advertising a drone to be quiet. That is pretty darn good. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Not doing any more sound comparisons. We already know the two king of quiets are the Evo and the Platinum Pro. Honestly, I'm a fan of both. We also did a temperature test on these as well, and the Evo did run a bit cooler. Now, something to keep in mind, the belly of the Evo is like a polycarbonate, while the Mavic is a metal diffusion plate. So it's metal versus plastic. So one is going to be hotter than the other, but you let me know what you think in the comment section below. I have got an eye This is what happens. He dragged me up. 5 o'clock in the morning we've been up filming. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe if you already haven't, and as always, stay original.